Well, we were missing a ceiling here and a floor upstairs. Been working on this. They were spread apart so far with the original joists, these replacement joists on hangers, and I'm reinforcing them this way as opposed to adding more joists. This is cheaper, using old scrap wood. Need to do 3 more on this end. It's real soft. And everything else is pretty good. Let's see, they're looking at this light being in my way. 22 inches. Let's see if it's the same in all 3 spots. In a square. Here. We had to harvest these logs like the original settlers did when our barn was built in 1910.
Dad? He's cutting down another tree. I think you know where you're going. Then I better run. Look out!
There you go. Start cranking. We'll get it on TV.
Right there, hay. And then what we just did, a new addition to the barn, we made a roof because there used to be so this used to be the roof, but then there used to be open. So then we got some trusses, we strengthened it with like that, and then we sheeted over it. So we sheeted over that, and then in front of the barn,
How many hits? Is it all the way in? You gonna do the last one or no?
Yeah.
Hey, here's the spike.
We're rebuilding the barn.
Yes, we are. Or were you telling the video?
Telling the video.
We need to get one more beam there today. Tried to save one, but it was just too rotted.
We're gonna go cut it down.
Cut one down, bring it back and put it in. A little more shoring up to do, and then plank over, or not plank over, we're just gonna sheet over it. I want to build that beam up another level so they're touching. I put 1 level on it last night. That middle support beam was added, but it can't hurt to have it.
Do I have to do the very last one?
No, I already did that one. Good job, Bob. See, they're going into that wood underneath. Oh, I would think that would be hardwood. There. Down there where it was replaced is pine. Some of those regular nails I put in the wall and they just bend. Hardwood. Maybe that's softwood. Oh, that was original though. But we had to shore it up there because it's rotted out where his feet are. Got most of the hay wall floor repaired. You can see some spots with knockoff wood. Well, it's real. It's like what they had, but it's new instead of old. Replacing some spots with old that we've torn out because a lot of it's just unfortunately been replaced with OSB. Found a couple weak spots, kicked them out. I'm going to trim up the edges. Charlie will replace them tonight. Go ahead. Gotta push some. Pull it out. Okay, now put a tap con in it. We don't have the right drive bit, so you have to turn it down with that. I'll get the drive bit tomorrow and we'll do the rest. Do I have enough screws?
Maybe, I don't know. Are you just gonna do the outside?
Making our new hay mouse support / stanchion support. Can you get it turned down?
Yes, it's hard.
This job completely sucks. I don't know what was there. I had to buy a diamond blade for cement. It was up that high, 3 inches at least. We trip on it all the time. There's a pipe in the middle, like it was for water or something. I don't know. Boy, is it hard. Cut, smash, pull it out, throw it on the driveway. Keep tricking that little breaker off, and then the breaker in the house. I'm probably 3/4 or more done. Pressed against the fence.
Yes.
No lights up here. You like to turn a light on? Finish safety proofing the barn. Is it gonna fit?
Oh, it's too short. We don't really have any long ones. And we don't have any the right width.
There's a long one there.
Yeah, but it's not the right width.
Is it too wide or too short?
And this one's not even the right width. I had to compromise. And I can't find the one.
Well, we can trim down. We can't add on. Does it need to be trimmed down? Is it too wide?
Well, yeah, you're gonna. I know you have to trim it down. You got it.
Found a weak spot. I sure hope you know what you're doing with that saw.
What?
Hope you're being careful. Keep your hands way away. Tractor's holding it up while I put the hangers on. A lot stronger than these homemade 2x6 hangers that'll split and splinter at the nails when the load is put on them. things. Borax. Or powder torpedo and termite control. Couldn't get my sprayer to work and it wouldn't drain down. It's so thick and viscous. And then I'm missing a part anyway, so I'm just going to paint it on the troubled areas. Save the rest of the borax for when I need it. Boracare. Supposed to get rid of all those bugs. Termiticide, insecticide, and fungicide. I definitely had to go buy a sprayer. Painting it on was taking forever. Bugs, be gone. Boracare. Hope it does the trick.